Hi guys, today's recipe is an old favorite of mine and a very simple one too. So this is the black chickpeas made in form of a snack. It's low in calorie and high in protein, perfect to binge on if you're on a low calorie diet. So the ingredients are as follows. Because I'm using the dried or black peas, I need to soak it overnight and then cook it tomorrow. But if you got the tinned one, the canned one, you don't need to go through this process. You can go to the cooking part in the end directly. So I'm using 1.5 cup of dried black peas. I'm going to wash it a few times, then soak it. It has to be soaked at least for 8 hours. In my case, I've left it up to 12 hours, and as you can see, it looks well soaked and it's quite swelled up, which means it's going to take less time to cook. So now I'm going to drain the water, wash it once again and put it in my pressure cooker. So it needs to cook in the pressure cooker for at least 25 to 30 minutes. I've added around 1 liter of water and some salt and put it on medium heat to cook. If you don't have a pressure cooker, a can one will be perfect for you. Now the ingredients, so we're going to use 1 big onion sliced, 2 red dried chilies, 2 curry leaves, spring onion and coriander chopped, salt, and a pinch of Ajinomoto, which is MSG salt. This is optional guys, so you choose whether you want to use it or not, but it can be made without it as well. The black peas have cooked for the past 25 minutes and I've drained the water. When you press it, it's quite tender inside, and this is exactly how it looks. For the next part, we need to heat some oil in a container. I've used 2 to 3 tablespoons here. When it's hot, add the sliced onion and let it fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. When it looks done, add the 2 dried red chilies, followed by the curry leaves, and let it all fry together for 2 minutes. Next, add the spring onions and let it cook for a minute or 2. In goes the boiled black peas, and we'll just mix it together with the rest of the ingredients in the pan. All we have to do now is add a pinch of salt. Remember, there is salt in the boiled peas, and the Ajinomoto, as I said, optional. It's only a little pinch. To bring all the flavors together, I'm just going to add about 50 ml of water to the mix and mix it well together and cover it to cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. It's now time to garnish with the coriander, and guys, this looks perfect. It's absolutely ready now to be served. Et voila, The black chickpea snack, full of protein and other nutrients, is now ready to binge on any time of the day you want. So guys, please do try this recipe and let me know how you like it. This is where I'll end this video. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Thanks. Bye.